Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to defeat Redevil easily in Crimson Desert. First things first, open your skill tab. Only two skills are essential in this fight. You need to get the Blinding Light finisher in this node, and then upgrade your Keen Senses to max. This is not necessary, but you can also add some points into your spirit just like this. And you can also add some points in your stamina as well, as this is important for phase 2. No, there are three phases in this fight. The biggest tip that I can give you in this fight is not to move so much. Just stand still because the way Reed attacks is he basically closes the gap to hit you. First, when you see him kneel like this after he attacks, this is where you rush in and spam your forward slash. There are multiple attacks when he ends up in this animation, but most of the time is when he drops from above and does a backflip like this. Just like that. There are some attacks where he fakes this. You'll know it when he instantly vanishes. This just means he'll go for a chain combo. The chain just means he'll vanish 3 times, and on the third one he'll do the backflip animation again, which is your signal to attack. If he encircles you like this, use your blinding flash finisher to close the gap. This is basically free damage. Keep in mind that doing this burns your spirit gauge. On the next one, as you can see, instead of attacking, I'm just regaining my spirit gauge. This is practically safe. You'll eventually complete phase 1. Phase 2 is the easiest. All you have to do is destroy the totem poles. Just sprint to every single one and ignore Reed. After destroying the poles, you only need to hit him once to proceed to phase 3. Phase 3 is just like phase 1, the only difference is that he does these slashes from afar. Just run away from him and do side dodges. He will attack 5 times, and after the 5th attack, he will vanish and rush in to try and attack. I'll show you again. So there's the first one, 3, 4, 5, and he'll try to rush in and attack you. So just make sure that you're far away from him. How do you dodge his attacks? We know that his attacks are just forward slashes. So every time he attacks, he'll want to dodge into the attack. I'll show you some examples of what I mean. There we go, and also dash forward into the attack. And that is how to defeat Redevil easily in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.